Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. If you remember a couple videos back, I did a unboxing of all new Kaja Beauty products that they sent over to me, and one of the products they sent over was one of their Play Bentos. This is their new one in 2.5 Dolce Cappuccino, and it was requested that I did a little review video, so I thought I would do a swatch and review for you guys. So if you want to hear all about this cute little Play Bento from Kaja Beauty, then keep watching. So this is what the Kaja Play Bento in Dolce Cappuccino looks like. Close, and then here she is all opened up. So you have a little mirror on the top, blush, your highlight, and a cream bronzer. This does retail for $28 if you were to buy this from the Kaja website. I obviously will have everything linked down below for you guys if you are interested in purchasing this. Dolce Cappuccino is best for tan skin tones, so if you do get a tan in the summer, this is going to be your best friend. If you do go on the Kaja website, they have this picture, and I love when websites have pictures like this of different skin tones swatching the shades. The middle arm at the very bottom is what Dolce Cappuccino looks like. I am unfortunately right in between these two shades, but currently I'm leaning more towards the middle, so Dolce Cappuccino looks pretty good on my skin tone right now. I love this. I really love Kaja's packaging. First of all, if you do travel, or if you're planning on traveling at all ever, get something from Kaja, because this is 3 products in one tiny little compact, and you don't have to bring 5 different things, which I think is amazing. For shade reference, I am a 9W in the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin, medium in the IT Cosmetics CC Nude Glow, and in the shade Cebu from the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Natural Radiance Foundation. And I think that this looks really, really good on my skin tone. Let's talk about the blush. I think the blush is a really, really pretty tone. I am wearing this whole bento on my skin right now. I think it's really, really pretty. Please don't mind that my nail totally violently attacked it this morning. This is what it looks like. It is really, really pretty. This blended beautifully into the skin too, which I really do love. It's not really harsh. This side looks harsh, but this side on my face is very red, and I feel like it's really just popping out today. But I just feel like it's a really, really pretty blush. Second, we have the highlight. Look at the highlight. So pretty, so natural. It's a really, really nice, I'm gonna say a champagne type color. Really, really just gorgeous. I know I'm saying beautiful and gorgeous and pretty, but this is really, really pretty, and I just really love it. It melted into the skin. So normally when I do apply my highlight, I will mist my face with this Super Dewy spray from Makeup Revolution. I apply the highlighter with a brush that changes daily, and then I'll spray with whatever setting spray I'm using, and then I melt it in the skin with my damp sponge, and I just go like this. And then I didn't do that today, honestly, but I think this looks so just glow from within type of highlight, and I like that. Again, definitely buildable. Last is the cream bronzer. Now when I unboxed this, I didn't realize it was cream bronzer, so I went to use it the other day and I was like, oh my god, it's cream bronzer. I'm still experimenting with cream products, specifically bronzers, so this was a little bit of a learning curve for me, I'm not gonna lie, but I am wearing it right now and it doesn't look like it. So I realized a little goes a long way, and you're going to want to use a little brush. This is the brush that I've been using to apply it, and I kind of just stamp it on where I want it. So I really just focus it on my forehead, really blending it into the hairline, right here on my cheek jawline. And then when I do it on my nose, I feel like it's been making my nose look really good. I use this nose contour brush that I got from e.l.f. I wish I knew what this brush was called, but the name is rubbing off. But I really like this bronzer. It looks really, really deep and really intimidating, but when you really start to blend it out, it lightens up a lot. So definitely is a learning curve. A little goes a long way. But I really, really, really like how it looks on my skin. I just feel like it looks very natural. Once I got the hang of it and once I figured out what brush worked the best. So if you were up in the air about getting the Kaja Beauty Play Bento in Dolce Cappuccino, I definitely recommend it. I think it looks really, really gorgeous on the skin. Super easy to use. All the products work very well together. If you are a beginner in cream products or want to get into cream products, definitely start out with this bronzer. I think it's really easy to use, especially when you figure out what brushes work the best for you. That's like where the learning curve really was the most for me. Again, I think this is great for travel. It's definitely worth it. I also think it's great if you don't love having a bunch of different highlighters and a bunch of different bronzers. It's all right here in this one little tiny compact. I hope this video helped making your decision if you should get the Kaja Beauty Play Bento in Dolce Cappuccino. That is a mouthful to say. Again, this product will be listed down below in the description box if you guys want to pick it up. I definitely recommend it. I love it. It's on my skin right now and I think it looks so pretty and so light and so natural. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you want more reviews like this, please let me know in the comments down below. I will gladly do more reviews. I love doing review videos. I think they're just so fun. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!